All right, folks, it is that time. We've gotten into our research a little bit. I know some of you are trying to stay organized and keep up your works cited page as you go ahead and plug your pieces of information into your research paper, so I appreciate that. I want to show you this tool to use. It will make your life so much easier. This is a web-based citation machine, hence the name citationmachine.net. So if you plug that into your browser, it brings you to this awesome page, and then you can choose the style of your citations. So the majority of the stuff that we're going to do is going to be in MLA format. So the first thing you're going to do is what it tells you to do, choose your style. So you're just going to go ahead and click on MLA and wait for it to load the page here. Okay, then it asks you what type of source you have. Is it a book, a magazine, a newspaper, website, journal, film, or other? And you can use other if, for instance, you conducted an interview or if you found information somewhere else. And if you have questions about that, certainly bring that up in class, okay? Right now I'm going to go ahead and look up a book. So let's type in a title here. Exceptional Learners. We're going to go ahead and search this book. Now what it's going to do is it's going to bring me up a list of all the books that have that title or something like that title, and from there I can go ahead and choose which one is mine, which one I'm using, which one I want. This is a free website. It is a free service, which means there are lots and lots of ads. So sorry about that. Okay, so here's one. This is 2014. The edition I'm looking for is 2015. So I'm going to keep scrolling down through my list. Here it is. Okay, An Introduction to Special Education. It's a Pearson text. So I'm going to go ahead and hit select. And patiently wait. Okay, so our page says, here's what we found. Okay, so I can go ahead and look at the title and the publisher and the publication year. And if all of that checks out with what you are looking for, go ahead and click this final step here. And it brings you to this page. So what this page does is it makes you kind of double check for what you're doing. Is it a print book? Is it an ebook, an online database, ebook other? So you just click which one it is. For this purpose, let's go ahead and do an ebook because that's what I am using. And it plugs all of this information in for you. It's already in there, okay? So let's go ahead and scroll down and see what our next prompt is. We're going to go ahead and create the citation. Thinking, thinking, thinking. Okay, and so right here we have, this is what our citation should look like. Okay, this is the order, the format that it should be in. And they have this handy little tool here. You click copy and paste, and then you would just click onto your actual document, the page that you're going to use, your works cited page, and it will automatically plug that in for you. So the only other piece of advice that I can give you in terms of that is once you plug all of your citations into your your works cited page, you need to go back and make sure that they are all in alphabetical order, okay, to be proper format. But this saves you the trouble of having to figure out, okay, do I put the author first? Do I put the title first? Do I put the publisher first? It plugs it all in for you just as it should be. So just a fun little shortcut tool for you guys to use while you are building this awesome research paper that you're going to turn in soon. If you have any questions over this or anything else, let me know when you come to class. Thanks for listening.